Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Emma.
You are awake early today.
Yes, I wake up early every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
I wake up at 6 too.
That's nice. Do you feel fresh now?
Yes, I feel fresh today.
I feel fresh as well.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I sleep well. How about you?
I sleep well too.
Good sleep feels nice.
Yes, it makes the morning better.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I sit on the bed for a minute.
I do the same thing.
Then I stand up slowly.
I stand up slowly too.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my legs.
Stretching feels good.
Yes, it helps my body.
After that, I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom too.
I wash my face there.
I brush my teeth there.
I brush my teeth after washing my face.
Do you use cold water?
Yes, I use cold water.
I use warm water today.
Warm water feels good in winter.
Yes, it feels comfortable.
After that, I comb my hair.
I comb my hair too.
My hair feels messy in the morning.
Mine feels messy as well.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a short shower.
I take a shower every day.
It makes me feel clean.
I feel fresh after a shower.
I feel active after it.
Then I wear my clothes.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Comfort is important in the morning.
Yes, I agree with you.
Do you check your phone after that?
Yes, I check the time.
I check messages for a moment.
I don't use my phone too much.
That is a good habit.
I like a quiet morning.
Quiet mornings feel peaceful.
Yes, they feel very nice.
After getting ready, I feel hungry.
Me too. I think about breakfast.
I am ready to go to the kitchen.
Yes, let's go together.
The kitchen feels quiet this morning.
Yes, it is calm and clean.
I like quiet mornings.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want something simple.
I am thinking about tea.
Tea sounds good.
Do you want milk tea or black tea?
I want milk tea.
I will make tea for both of us.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
I will take out the cups.
I will boil the water.
The kettle is on the stove.
Yes, I see it.
I also feel hungry now.
Me too. I want something light.
Do you want toast?
Yes, toast is fine.
I will put bread in the toaster.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
I also eat breakfast daily.
It gives energy for the day.
Yes, it helps me focus.
The tea smells good.
The water is ready now.
I will add the tea leaves.
I will add milk and sugar.
I like less sugar.
Okay, I will add a little sugar.
That is perfect.
The toast is ready.
It looks nice and warm.
Let's sit at the table.
Yes, let's sit together.
I like having breakfast with you.
I like it too.
How is the tea?
It tastes good.
I'm glad you like it.
The toast is also good.
Simple food feels nice in the morning.
Yes, heavy food feels bad.
I agree with you.
What do you do after breakfast?
I clean the table.
I help with the dishes.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
After that, I get ready for my day.
I do the same.
I feel ready now.
Me too.
Let's finish breakfast.
Yes, let's finish and move on.
I need to get ready to leave now.
Yes, it is almost time.
I will take my bag.
I will take mine too.
Do you check your schedule in the morning?
Yes, I check it quickly.
I check my plan for the day.
It helps me feel organized.
I like knowing what to do.
Me too. It reduces stress.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, I'm going to work.
I am going to study today.
That sounds good.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8.
I leave at 8 too.
We leave at the same time.
Yes, that's convenient.
Do you walk or take a bus?
I take a bus.
I also take a bus.
The bus stop is near my house.
Mine is close too.
The road feels busy in the morning.
Yes, many people go out at this time.
I see many students on the road.
I see many office workers.
The morning air feels fresh.
Yes, I like morning air.
Do you listen to music while traveling?
Sometimes I do.
I listen to soft music.
I listen to simple songs.
Music makes travel easier.
Yes, time passes fast.
The bus is coming now.
Yes, let's get on.
The bus feels crowded today.
Yes, it is full.
I will stand near the door.
I will stand here.
Do you get a seat sometimes?
Sometimes, but not every day.
I don't mind standing.
Me neither.
I look outside during travel.
I do that too.
The city looks active.
Yes, everyone looks busy.
I reach my stop soon.
My stop is after yours.
I will get down here.
Okay?
Have a good day at work.
Thank you, you too.
I will see you later.
Yes, see you in the evening.
The day feels long today.
Yes, work keeps me busy.
My classes finish in the afternoon.
My work ends in the evening.
I feel tired after study.
I feel tired after work too.
What do you do after coming home?
I rest for a while.
I also take some rest.
Rest helps the body relax.
Yes, it feels good.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea.
I drink tea as well.
Tea helps me feel fresh again.
Same for me.
After tea, I do some light work.
I check a few things at home.
I organize my books.
I arrange my bag.
Small tasks feel easy.
Yes, nothing feels rushed.
What do you do at night?
I have dinner with my family.
I have dinner at home too.
Dinner feels relaxing.
Yes, I enjoy dinner time.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat simple food.
I also eat light food.
Heavy food feels bad at night.
I agree with you.
After dinner, I sit quietly.
I talk with my family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it feels good.
I check my phone for a short time.
I do the same.
I don't use my phone too much at night.
I try to avoid it too.
Then I get ready for bed.
I also prepare for sleep.
I wash my face again.
I brush my teeth again.
Night routine feels calm.
Yes, it helps me relax.
I lie down on my bed.
I lie down too.
I think about my day.
I think about tomorrow.
I feel sleepy now.
Me too.
It is time to sleep.
Yes, it is late.
Okay, bye, Liam.
Yes, bye, Emma.